thought I'd do a quick little video update on the changes I made to my system. It's much more refined. I've gotten really consistent results. I'm getting about 70 to 75% efficiency with grain extraction, which I'm good with. So propane tank going to a solenoid valve. That's controlling the gas. I have an Inkbird controller with a little control panel inside. The Inkbird's doing all the switching. The Inkbird temperature sensor is going into a T valve here. I just use a nail to hold the wire in. And I am using a spark ignition furnace control board, and that is firing the burner. I've got a flame sensor and a little spark igniter in there. And I've got this pump circulating the water continuously, and my bag and water distributor. Underneath the bag is also a piece of perforated stainless steel that creates a false bottom, essentially, to keep the heat off the bottom of the bag and keep the direct flame off the direct heat off of the grain bed. So, and then if I want to just go straight burner, then I have an override switch so I can run the burner with the controller being off. So it worked really well. I mill my grain about 0.35 millimeters, I think is what it is. So that's about a credit card width. I've had pretty good success with that. So yeah, I've done quite a few brews on it. You get really consistent results. I'm using RO water and building my water profile for Brewer's Friend, and works great. We're doing a fresh hop pale ale today. Got the hops coming down. It's early September here in Washington State. So cheers.